So this is the box that it comes delivered in, small box. The 2 chairs here, it already comes assembled. You just need to go ahead and just open it up. The only thing you need to assemble is actually just the table, and it comes with some legs. So the only instructions is actually just this right here. That's it. Okay, so it's all put together. Took 10 minutes. The only thing you got to do is just put the legs on the table, and the chairs come up. It's already folded in the box. I got this on Amazon. I paid $129.99. This is by Giantex 3-piece Bistro set. And this Bistro set is actually replacing my old one over here that I'm giving away. You can see the mesh here. This is actually, the chairs are much more comfortable than my old one. The chairs here fold up. The table doesn't fold up. And we can go ahead and just fold the chair. Just like that. See how that looks. So yeah, this one here I'll be giving away, and this will be replaced with this one.